Hi, I'm Rebecca Rand, and today I'm going to talk about how I grow my hair long and how difficult that's been for me, and some things I found out that really helped me to grow it long and thick. I process my hair a lot with a lot of different things. I cover my roots regularly, and I do highlights. I actually add 3 different colors whenever I color my hair. One for light tones, medium tones, and darker tones that's underneath. And I have a root problem, and I need to cover those roots a lot because, I'm not 20 anymore. I got a little gray issue going. I also like to chemically straighten my hair with a keratin. It is a process with chemicals and heat to get it really flat and straight because my hair is naturally kinky. Take a look at this. This is my shaggy dog look. That's my natural look. This is how it comes out naturally when I'm out of the shower and let it dry by itself. Personally, I don't like that look. And I find my hairstyle lasts longer, like 4 or 5 days, if I straighten my hair. So I do with keratin. Keratin is a product of sheep's wool. And because I straightened my hair with keratin, I needed a beauty line that would supplement that keratin chemical straightener, as well as the way I color my hair. So I went online and I researched and I found a line that is keratin. It's spelled just 1 letter different. But this supports me growing my hair luscious and long and thicker. On their website, there's a whole bundle of products that I get. I have the keratin shampoo, and this is really important because it doesn't strip my hair of the other things that are in it, like the color and the other keratin straightener. It's important that I use that to make my treatments last longer and to make my color stay in longer. This is what it looks like. You can see the richness of the keratin within the shampoo that has that sheep keratin in it. It is really luscious and thick. This makes for great lather. It works wonderful in my hair as I'm taking my shower and shampooing it. And then after I shampoo, I condition my hair. This is a keratin renewal conditioner. That's the thickness of it. I will use about half this amount for my hair after the shampoo. I put it all over my hair and I leave it in for about 3 minutes. The thickness is great, so when it dilutes with the water, it'll still stick on your hair. It repairs and conditions, and it's also great for your scalp. It moisturizes it, and it's great for your hair follicles to grow your hair long. So this is a keratin renewal shampoo, and this is a keratin renewal conditioner. So I rinse my hair really well. I don't want any residual because I want my hair really shiny. And the conditioner is going to seal your hair cuticle and reduce the frizz. I want sleek and shiny, long hair. Because the shampoo and conditioner makes my hair healthier, it won't break as much, therefore letting my hair get long. And keratin makes a hair vitamin. The hair vitamin formula has all the ingredients specializing in hair growth. It's everything your body needs to make more hair. I've been taking this about a month and I seem to be losing less hair than I was before. I used to take my fingers through my hair and brush it, especially when it's wet, and I would just get gobs of extra hairs coming out. I'm not sick or anything, so I don't know why that's happening. But since I started taking the supplement, it's not as thick that comes out on my brushes and on my bathroom floor and out of the shower down the drain. It's nice to have a vitamin to take that is expressly for my hair because my hair is one of my best features, I feel. So then I just blow dry my hair and style it the way I want it. And that could be with a little extra bounce. And then at the very end, I put the argan oil. This enriching argan oil has other oils in it, and they're all for the health of your hair. It's a special formula. Let me show you what it looks like. It comes in a little dropper, and it's like a serum. It's super light. It's not thick and pasty, which is great because I don't want much of this on. And it smells great too. So I put some on my fingertips, and I go to the bottom of my hair, and I just put a little bit on. And this is going to make it so my ends don't split and give it some extra sheen. And then I put some on the bottom of my hair, inside like that. And a little touch on top. And I work it in. What do you think? Comment and tell me your problems with your hair. I was really excited to find keratin. Click the link below so you can get your bundle. They sell them separately too. And they have even more products than I've shown to you today. It's really nice to know of keratin, this hair care line. I have been struggling as of recent to grow really long hair. You might have seen me, I just hardly cut it at all because it takes so long to grow. I need a product line to work with the other damaging types of things I do to my hair. The heat, the bleaching, and that chemical straightener so that my hair will grow lush and thick and keep on growing. I have goals to meet. I'm Rebecca Rand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for really good thick hair that's gonna grow like Rapunzel. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, bring down your long blonde hair. like that. If you like this video, check out these others because they're in the beauty line, which I love to do. I love doing beauty products.